the home of all things heat printing and apparel decoration.
The Garment Decorators podcast brought to you by Stahls.
Stahls UK YouTube channel.
Welcome back to another Friday Lunchtime Live.
So we have another in-person event here at Stahls UK.
Joined by Sean from Storm Tech.
I'm Ellen and I'm from Graftek.
Grace from Crydro. I'm here with Kat from Malawide. San from Bella Canvas.
Daisy from Bella Canvas.
Jenny from Premier.
Hi, I'm Roddy.
I'm Gary, brand ambassador at Stanley Stella.
I'm with Laura from Mantis World.
Hello.
Carl from Orders.
Ashford from Beachville Brand. So if you're looking to get started or further your education in the heat printing industry, you've found the right place.
The easiest way to decorate garments.
Our athleisure series, simple, profitable way to grow your business. Welcome to More Than a Heat Press.
What's the true cost of things?
And eliminate scorch marks.
Make printing levers pretty easier.
To increase your workwear revenue.
1 Minute Wednesdays where we heat print together.
If you fancy diving a little bit deeper, then head to the podcast playlist.
Hello and welcome back to the Garment Decorators podcast.
Very special guest. We've got Benny's Yard with us today.
Hello.
I'm very excited to have this conversation by John and Gemma from Gem's Thread. Hi.
Hello.
Jenna from Stahls. Ben from Velflex.
Sean from Storm Tech.
Hello, welcome everyone.
Talking about heat printing on site at events. Marcia from The Cute and the Curious.
Thank you so much for having me.
You're more than welcome. Joined by Nick from MPW Printing. If you haven't already guessed from the massive balloons behind us, it is our 100th podcast episode. So we have another in-person event. How have you found the event today?
It's been great. It's been very interesting. Learned an awful lot.
It's been an absolute game changer.
Glad I made the flight down.
Oh, you flew in from Scotland?
Flew in from Scotland.
If I see Molly's face, I'm watching that video. Decided to come and just see what it was like. And
Andy's on stage. Can't get him off stage.
Come on, love, Andy. Come on, love, Andy.
Is it recording? Tell me it's recording.
No.
Why you haven't provided again a glam team? Where's the glam team?
No.
Guys, hello, happy event day.